Welcome to a brand new video of Global Techniques of Architecture. And into this video, we are not talking anything related to facades, related to architecture, but it is a general thing that was much more making rounds in the mind that we must contribute back to the society. So either you contribute by funds, or you contribute by your efforts, or you contribute by minimizing your consumption of natural resources. So what I could see from the entire past history was that we are in the mode of consumption of natural resources, and the first thing that we consume to the most is paper. So it was in the year 2021 that we initiated kind of going for paperless office, or say paperless operations. And 2022 January, we started following it more strictly. And believe me, by March, we had only 6 books left in the office. And even whatever goes for the reports, whatever goes as invoices, are the only ones which are consuming paper, or else we are using, say, iPad for taking notes, pencil for taking notes. So nothing is on paper. It is all digital. So in that same line, we have graduated a level further, and we have ordered a digital card for ourselves. So of course, it is a common thing for normal people. It can be common for many, but for us, it is really a special one because we didn't want it to use and promote plastics either. So PVC cards नहीं चाहिए था. So the question was either to go for wood, or something engineered wood, or PVC, or at the end of the day metal. So after looking at the multiple resources available, we zeroed down on a company in Ahmedabad, and the company is called Volt, and they have sent us this beautiful digital card, and let's just unbox this box. That's the box that we got from VOL double T. Don't miss out the second T. And that's the beautiful white packing. It looks jazzy, it looks cool, flaunt your flamboyance. And yes, we open this up. Okay, so we have Voltka branding both on this side and this side. And then we have a small greeting. Welcome to the whole new amazing world of connecting convenience and choices. Let's go. So we'll keep it aside. That's our card. I suppose there is nothing after that. Tap to scan. The beauty about this entire setup is that you have a card. Okay, these are user manuals that we generally don't study. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, that's the card. That's our futuristic card of global techniques of architecture. And that's Gaurav Tiwari. That's me. I purposely decided not to go for any colors apart from black and white. And this card is looking fabulous, fabulous. So all thanks to the team of Volt to help me get this card. And this, the beauty about this card is you can directly tap on an NFC enabled Android phone, or say an iPhone, and all your contact data would be directly, you can just share it with the tap, and this entire data which is stored in this card can directly go there. And if your mobile is not NFC enabled, you can scan this QR code and still have the entire data. It can have your LinkedIn profile, it can have your social media pages, it can have your company website, it can have your mobile number, whatever your normal card carries, this is the answer to all those. Wherein in normal circumstances, an individual consumes not less than 300 to 400 cards a year. This is the answer to just save paper. Just save paper. So, yes, this all put together. Next time you meet me, I'm sharing you this with a tap. I'm sharing you this card with a tap. And believe me, it would be something that we are going digitally advanced and we would be contributing to the society. So it is something like giving back to the society. And yes, it's not a promotional video, but yes, this company needs to grow with this company. So we call it GTA has to grow with Bolt in going and making India go digital. So go for it, guys. Let's contribute back to the society. Go digital. Thanks.